Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Those who work on background removal from photos on different marketplaces like Fiverr, Freelancer, Peopleperhour, they know the importance of removing backgrounds from their photos smoothly like a professional worker. Okay, we can do it with Photoshop, but it's a difficult and lengthy process, and there are so many tools available online, but those are paid. Often we have to pay to get our works done easily and to earn more with less time. Okay, so the tool that I'm going to discuss today is Canva. It is a paid tool. Okay, background removal is in its paid version, but trust me, it works smoothly and I have gotten so many results, super results from it. It gives me fantastic results on background removal, and I'm on a paid version, and if you want, you can just check it with 30 days trial version using your Visa or Mastercard. Okay, for 30 days trial. And for demonstration purpose, I have kept some images there with difficult backgrounds, and I'm just willing to make background removal with those. Okay, so first of all, if I do background removal with this photo, I have to click on this and click on use in a design, and before that you have to open account there. Okay, now when it is in the project, simply click on the photo and effects, and it will show me the background remover, as you can see. And in the free version you will not be able to get it. I'm using Pro, and when you will use it as a Pro, then you will get it too. Now click on background remover, and now just wait for a while. It will smoothly delete all the backgrounds from the photo and will give you a fresh look of it. Okay, as you can see that it now has no background in it, and if you zoom a little bit, you'll be able to see that the awesomeness of this tool, of this site, is really worth praising. Now if you just simply download it, there are so many options. Click on the download icon. You can download it as PNG, and also there are so many options: JPG, PDF, video, etc. Okay, if you want to download it as PNG, there is option also using transparent background. Okay, it will be downloaded as transparent background, and now click on download, and with the original size. If you want, you can increase or decrease it. Now it is being downloaded to your system. Okay, it's downloaded, and I'm just opening it. Okay, as you can see that this photo and the haircut, if you notice this, the haircut is like the professional editing on Photoshop. Okay, and this is the first one. I'm just going to show you the second one. The second one I can choose is this one, mother and baby, and I'm just going to use in a design. Clicking there, and effects, then background remover. Depending on the size of your photo, it takes a little while to erase the background from the image. Okay, as you can see that it has no background now. Okay, a smooth and real finishing. I really liked it, and by the simple way, just download it with PNG and transparent background in it. And now it's being downloaded. Okay, the image that you can see here. Okay, now the third one. This image seems to be too much complicated. Okay, I'm just going to work with it. Okay, now I just want to keep those two girls here, and the background should be deleted. And as you can see, the hairs is complicated here. Okay, small hairs are two. Now clicking effects and background remover. Okay, it is done too, and the background is not there. Okay, now if you just simply download it again, PNG transparent background, and download. And now the last one, and the last one is this one or this one. Okay, I'm just going to do both, no problem. First I'm going to do it using a design. It's a difficult image as it has here and here. It's a critical task. Now clicking effects and then background remover. Okay, now you can see the task that it is smoothly erased. Okay, the background is erased smoothly from this image. Okay, and for you I'm just going to do the same for this image too. Okay, this boy is one of my fans, and I'm just going to remove those from this image effects and remove. And to inform you, I'm not paid from this website to make this video. I'm just willing to show you cause I also work as a background remover on Marketplace, and I know the importance, the hassle of removing background from an image. So what I do it on online, and just willing to show to all my freelancers brothers, those who do it. And the time that I'm making this video, this time it is taking $10 per month as a paid membership. Okay, but for first month you can try it as a trial period with your Visa or Mastercard, valid Visa or Mastercard. Okay, and okay, that's all. And by this way you can remove background from an image with this site, with this paid tool, easily with the artificial intelligence. Okay, and get superb result from it. And those who are working on Marketplace can really use this for their ease of access and have better results online. I hope you really found this video useful. If you really found this video helpful and useful to you, then please consider liking the video, share your experience, your suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. We always try to give you quality and useful video tutorials. Ask us on the comment box and we will try our level best to help you. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.